Greetings. In this tutorial we will guide you through the installation of the Spirit of Europe Origins game using the available platforms, itch.io and Steam. Installing the game on itch.io. The correct installation of the game requires 1. Itch account. 2. Itch client. 3. Game download through the client. And 4. Game presence in the client's collection tab. Let's begin. Step 1. Visit itch.io by using the link in the description of the video or by searching itch on Google. Step 2. Create an account by clicking on the register button in the top right corner. Complete all the requested fields. Note that you must accept the terms of service before being able to finish the registration. Step 3. Download and install Itch client. You can download the launcher by accessing itch.io and pressing the Download app button on the main page. Step 4. After the installation, you can access the launcher by double-clicking on it from your desktop or Start menu. Step 5. Once you have started the launcher, you will be greeted by the login page. If you previously registered on the itch.io website or you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and press the login button. If you don't already have an account, you can create a new one by pressing register and following the already provided instructions. Remember to use a proper email address in order to confirm your account after its creation. Step 6. After logging in, you will be greeted by your library. This is the place where all of your installed, liked or saved games are listed for your use. The launcher acts similarly to a browser. In order to find the Spirit of Europe Origins page, you can either use the search feature and enter the name of the game, in our case, Spirit of Europe Origins, and select the game from the search results, or you can use a direct link found in the description of the video by entering it on the space at the top of the page. Step 7. You can install the game directly to your computer by pressing the Install button on the bottom part of the screen, then selecting the desired place of installation. You will need at least 5.10 GB of available space to install the game. Step 8. To start the game, either press Launch on the bottom part of the screen or access your library, select the game and launch it. Note that some required files might be installed on your computer in order for the game to run. They will not interfere with your daily usage. Step 9. Once the game started, you will have to go through the two-phase procedure. If you require help with the procedure, we have a separate tutorial explaining the steps you need to follow to start playing the game. You can find a link to it in the description of the video. Installing the game on Steam. The correct installation of the game requires 1. Steam account. 2. Steam application. 3. Game download through the application. And 4. Game presence in the application's library. Step 1. Visit Steam by using the link in the description of the video or by searching Steam on Google. Step 2. To create an account, click on the Login button in the top right corner. Then click on the Join Steam button. Step 3. In order to create the account, please complete all the required fields, check the needed boxes and finally, press the Continue button. Then, press the According button considering your age. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your inbox or spam folders and click the specified link in the email that was sent to you by Steam. Step 5. It is time to set a username and a password for your account. Complete the required fields and press the Done button. Step 6. Once logged in, you can either use the link provided in the description of the video to access the Spirit of Europe Origins homepage or search the Spirit of Europe Origins on Steam's homepage. Step 7. After accessing the homepage, press the Play Game button, then select No, I Need Steam option. Step 8. Follow the installation process using the provided instruction from the Setup wizard. Step 9. After successfully installing Steam, you can open the application using the desktop shortcut. After logging in your account, press the Store button in the top left corner of the application and search the Spirit of Europe Origins in the search bar. Step 10. On the game homepage, click the Play Game button. Follow the Steam provided instruction in order to install the game on your computer. You can now follow the progress by clicking the Downloading button on the bottom part of the application. Once the game has finished downloading, you can use the desktop shortcut or find it in your Steam library in order to start it. Once the game started, you will have to go through the two-phase procedure. If you require help with the procedure, we have a separate tutorial explaining the steps you need to follow to start playing the game. You can find a link to it in the description of the video. Thank you for playing the Spirit of Europe Origins.